Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into this video. This is the weekly watch list for October 25th, 2021. And as you could see, currently right now, last week I thought we would have somewhat of a pullback early in the week. We did. We kind of opened here, right? Pulled back a tiny bit, and then we were off to the races. Now, on the bigger picture, all that we've really done is we're touching the back of this trend line right here. Also, if we grab a trend line, okay, and this is what I call a look above and fail, okay? And let's take a look at a intraday chart. This is a 15-minute chart, and this is essentially what a look above and fail is, where we kind of go up, right? Went to all-time highs, pulled back, shot through like a cannon, and then had massive liquidation reversal, and then tried to rally back up, and then kind of pulled back late into the day. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of excess right here. You guys always hear me talk about excess. Now, this is a 15-minute chart, right? So we do, this area made excess. Is the auction potentially over? Right? And if we kind of zoom down, you could see a little bit of excess down here, but not much. But this, normally you want to see a lot higher, but this is what we're playing with right now. And this is a big telltale in the market right now, right? Especially for risk reward. If you think the market's going to roll over and kind of go lower, you know exactly where your stop is going to be, is right above this high right here. But going back to the daily, what we have, if we zoom in, okay, is we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days with a reverse waterfall, right? Higher lows. Okay. I would be watching this candle on Monday if the S&P Emini futures breaks below this level. Okay. I would probably look for a short with a stop right above there. That's one way of trading it. Another way is if we kind of open right around where we closed, maybe even up at this 540, I would probably be willing to take a short, okay, because we are very stretched. And if you think about it, we actually have divergence, right? Is we have a double top here, actually a higher a higher high. Look at our RSI, right? Here's our divergence. So if anything, we would draw it this way, right? There's our higher high, right? And then a lower high on the RSI. So also with that being said, with this pattern, this reversal, I would probably look to short if we can open up anywhere inside of here. And then one last thing that I'm going to say here is, let's just draw a trend line with this entire move up, right? Like this, boom, boom, boom. And then right here, we kind of hold the moving average, or sorry, this trend line, bounce, look above, fail, come back, look where the rally goes right to the back of that trend line, and then it starts to fail. So we might start making a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now, looking at this 15-minute chart, I would probably say your first major level would be this 4,500 level. And then after that, I would probably say the 44.75, and then probably the 44.50 levels, kind of this whole breakout somewhere within this range. We really haven't retested this massive breakout, but that's what I'd be looking at for the S&P E-minis. So long-winded, hope that helps. Hope you guys learned something there. But let's go and move along. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, look at this, the laggard, right? As we kind of were making new highs on the S&P, the Nasdaq is making lower highs. Okay, you have a lot of issues going on right now with all the tech companies because of what's going on with Apple's privacy. You saw Snapchat get killed because of their privacy on the app. And does Facebook, Google, all these other companies kind of start to fall into the same issues? Pinterest, we will see. So with that being said, I am bearish on Nasdaq going into next week. I think if Snap came out and said they're having issues, I think every other tech company is going to have it too. So just something to be aware of. Let's take a look at our crude oil. I've been on this for a long time. If you guys watch these every single week, I've been bullish on crude oil for a long time. And look at this, closed right near the highs, 84. I said my ultimate target is probably 90 bucks, where I think we'll eventually get there, but we will see. With that being said, any pullback to this 80 level, I like it for a potential buy. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, brand new highs, right? Look at that, same exact thing. Look above, all new highs, and then fail. If you sat there and just traded based on the reverse waterfall, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we finally broke below, and then we're continuing that slide lower. Just so you guys know, there is a what is it? BITO, I believe. Yeah, BITO Bitcoin. This is the ProShares kind of what you call it, ETF that you could trade. The thing that I would say with this ETF is you have to be careful because it is based off of the Bitcoin futures, and every month they have to roll those contracts. So that BITO is destined to go to zero because of all the rolls. So meaning that, okay, cool, we're at 39 bucks right now on the ETF, while we're at 60,000. Well, let's go down 6 months, we might be at 67,000, and what you call it might be at $39 or 40 bucks because of the roll. I don't know exactly how bad the roll is. We will find out in the coming months, but just something to be aware of. If you're buying this for the real long term, be careful because it's not going to trade the way you think it's going to. With that being said, gold, surprising, broke out of this bull flag. We will see if it holds. I like it if it could get above the 170 level. If it does, I think it has clean air. I hate to say it, but probably all the way up to these highs of 178. And one of the reasons for that is because of inflation coming. And so maybe gold will be in place. Same with silver. Silver, nice rally. Same thing. Any move all the way up to 24, and then probably those 26 levels. So I like gold and silver for the long. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple, head and shoulders, I drew last week. I said keep an eye on this. But let's kind of move this higher, because now we have our left shoulder and right shoulder at the same spot. Does this fall? Again, are there issues with the entire tech sector going up? And also remember, interest rates are going higher, and that's also going to kind of affect tech stocks a lot. Finally, look at this Tesla above 900. Massive move. Nice breakout to the upside. We will have to see what happens. You are getting way over bought on Tesla, so maybe keep an eye out. Best way to trade this is just do the waterfall. But as far as right now, Tesla is strong and in charge. But as always, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon.